Welcome to JKS, where we are committed to advancing both process and system technologies across our three core competencies: precision cleaning, surface finishing, and material transfer systems. Guided by our tagline, "Tailoring Solutions with You," we aspire to tailor the right solutions to meet each customer's unique needs. With our ISO 9001 certified quality management system, we ensure efficient project execution across the entire system lifecycle, driving manufacturing excellence with integrity. By serving diverse industries such as semiconductors, electronics, mobility, HDD, precision optics, and beyond, our Knowledge Center leverages a comprehensive database from real industry experience to tackle various challenges. Before providing a solution, we collaborate closely with you to conduct a detailed user requirement study, comprehensively understanding your unique component cleaning requirements, crafting tailored processes and systems. As Asia's pioneer industrial cleaning system manufacturer, to attain ISO 17025 certification for cleanliness verification, under the ISO 16232:2018 scope, JKS sets the benchmark for precision. Our accredited R&D lab materializes ideas with capabilities in comprehensive process development with parts cleaning test and accredited technical cleanliness verification with certified reports issuance, guaranteeing accuracy and competency. With a defined process solution, we select system solutions across a robust range of standard system platforms with extensive modular options. Our system solution boasts unparalleled process flexibility and precision receipt control, empowering users with customizable cleaning requirements and dynamic process sequence adjustments. To align with customer expectations, a final design verification is conducted to ensure solution feasibility before submitting our solution proposal. Upon order confirmation, our project team upholds quality standards and on-time delivery while keeping customers informed on design, fabrication, and assembly progress. At JKS, we stay competitive by manufacturing in-house with advanced fabrication and assembly plants, undergoing stringent quality checks while ensuring complete control and real-time updates. We facilitate a smooth installation, commissioning, and training process for end users, supporting a successful buy-off. Rest assured, our dedicated after-sales team offers ongoing maintenance and lifecycle support to keep your systems at peak performance. For over 25 years, we have been empowering businesses across Southeast Asia, East Asia, Europe, and North America while building strong international strategic alliances. Our key partnership with EcoClean, a global leader in industrial cleaning solutions, further reinforces our expertise. With 12 global locations and approximately 900 employees, EcoClean enhances our market knowledge, expands our reach, and strengthens our complementary product portfolios. Together, we drive innovation and deliver world-class cleaning solutions to industries worldwide. Our dedication towards manufacturing excellence defines who we are, and tailoring the right solutions drives everything we do. Your challenge, our expertise. Let's create the perfect solution together. Reach out to us now